Introducing a revolutionary platform designed for concert grand pianos in vast halls exceeding 100 square meters. This ingenious solution weighs just 500 kilograms, enabling effortless solo transportation. Capable of supporting up to 600 kilograms, this platform allows smooth tilting to your desired position, whether it's from a truck to a lawn or navigating stairs. No extra accessories are needed, secure it with 2 straps, and it fits any grand piano brand flawlessly. No wonder this patented innovation has garnered acclaim. As for the price, it's available upon request, with an approximate figure of $20,000, including shipping. Transformers are making a comeback, but this time, it's not Michael Bay leading the charge. Meet the remarkable M4 robot, created by a team at the California Institute of Technology. Though not as massive as Bumblebee, it boasts impressive capabilities. This robot can seamlessly morph from a car into a drone, utilizing 2 wheels for mobility and even tumbling with ease. Still refining its size, the M4 holds immense potential, proving invaluable for space missions and aiding in rescuing the injured. Powered by NVIDIA Jetson Nano, a compact AI-optimized computer, the robot draws inspiration from partridges and sea lions in its design. Authorities worldwide are troubled by drivers using smartphones while driving. France has even introduced penalties for speakerphone use. Surprisingly, 52% of French drivers still engage in phone conversations and distracting tasks. Enter the groundbreaking Smart Helmet, a different approach to address this issue. Boasting 2 GB of RAM, Bluetooth, and an independent GPS module, it ensures a safer experience for motorcyclists. Vital information like navigation, speed, music, and calls is projected directly in front of the rider, controlled by voice commands. No more distractions or worrying about losing your smartphone during bumpy rides. Prices start at $400. The recent JEDSY Tech exhibition in China witnessed a remarkable success when a participant unveiled an invention dubbed Transportation of the Day After Tomorrow. This innovative vehicle merges the capabilities of a car and a drone, enabling it to operate collaboratively or autonomously. It boasts seamless movement both on the ground and in the air, with route selection through either a monitor or voice commands. The futuristic marvel even supports vertical takeoff and landing, all powered by electricity. While real passenger tests have proven successful, production timelines and technical specifics remain undisclosed, with forecasts hinting at urban air transportation by this decade's end, as suggested by Hyundai. AI's vision of the perfect tracked vehicle is now becoming a reality, with 2 remarkable engineering wonders leading the way. One of these innovations originates from a talented craftsman in Poland, determined to create a compact, travel-friendly solution. His brainchild is a rugged, 350-watt machine, armed with 26 amp-hour batteries, capable of covering around 20 kilometers at a top speed of 14 kilometers per hour. It's an undeniable feat of engineering, though the price tag might seem a bit steep, reaching $1,400. Nevertheless, the future of tracked vehicles is looking brighter than ever before. Exciting news from Singapore. Meet a smart dressing that revolutionizes wound assessment. The magic lies in a special patch with multiple channels, passively absorbing wound fluid and changing color. Simply capture a picture of the patch with your smartphone and run it through AI analysis. In just 15 minutes, doctors can determine temperature, pH, and more with an impressive 97% accuracy in RAP tests. These innovative patches make regular wound checks a breeze at home and hospitals, minimizing complications and allowing timely treatment adjustments. The potential is immense. An international patent application is filed, and human trials are on the horizon. This visionary team is redefining wound care with cutting-edge technology, improving lives worldwide. According to forecasts, the drone delivery market is projected to hit $54 billion by 2028. Among the trailblazers in this industry is Swiss company JEDSY. JEDSY offers customers 3 delivery options. The drone can land on the ground, attach itself to a special frame near the window, or drop cargo with a parachute at a maximum speed of about 144 kilometers per hour, covering 100 kilometers on a single charge. Operating silently at just 30 decibels, akin to a whisper or ticking clock, these drones excel in various tasks, with a significant focus on serving medical institutions. JEDSY is actively seeking operators, engineers, and programmers to join their innovative team. Introducing Venturi's revolutionary mission to transform the wheel, not just any wheel, but one fit for the lunar landscape. The new concept, a space industry marvel, stunned at the Paris Air Show in June 2023. At its core lies an ingenious blend of 192 cables and springs, ensuring remarkable damping even in icy extremes, down to -230 degrees Celsius. These groundbreaking wheels will grace the Venturi Astrolab Flex, a robust 2-ton rover bound for the moon in 2026. Prepared to conquer over 1,000 kilometers on the lunar surface, these wheels will propel the rover to exhilarating speeds of 20 kilometers per hour. Venture into the future with Venturi's lunar wheels. Flamethrowers have taken the world by storm, gaining immense popularity, with even Elon Musk jumping on the bandwagon, marketing them through his company, The Boring Company, which generated a jaw-dropping $10 million in just 4 days. Now, brace yourself for a new fiery innovation, the Thermonator, a collaboration between throw flame and robotic technology. Despite not being designed as a weapon, it impressively boasts a range of 9 to 10 meters and is powered by AI for precise target tracking, making it a formidable and futuristic hellhound. Who knows, maybe a 3-headed version could be their next big hit. While the price remains a mystery, eager enthusiasts can sign up for email updates to stay informed. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.